Everyone, this is Linda. Today I am going to step by step to show you how to buy a domain name on GoDaddy website. Before we starting the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell. Stay updated with the latest video. So now, let's dive right into the content of the video.
How to buy a domain name. Firstly, we need to know what a domain is. A domain is the address that people type into a browser address bar to find your website. Importance of having a domain, because it establishes your online identity, builds credibility, and enhances your brand's visibility for your website or business. Next, I am going to step by step to show you how you can buy a domain on GoDaddy website. GoDaddy is one of the most popular and reliable domain registrars out there. Firstly, go to the link in the description below and it should take you there. Open Google Browser and type in GoDaddy in the address bar and navigates to GoDaddy's main page. Click Domain Names. Here, you can search for domain name, auction, and transfer names. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar and click the Search Domain button. And type it, see if that's available. If it's available here, I am typing in Video Example Home Sales Stack, and you can see here Home Sales Stack. .com is available, so Home Sales Stack is able to buy it. If it's unavailable and somebody's already registered it, then you obviously can't buy it. You can find a domain here that suits your needs. I'm going to go ahead and add that to cart, and you can see here it's going to bring up a total amount. Now, by default, it's going to be on 2 years, so you can register a domain for 1 to 10 years. So I'm going to register it for 1 year. Once that year's over, you can then go and renew it again, and you can even set it up so it auto-renews. So don't worry about that. If you just want it for a year, you can go and do that, or you can do 10 years. It's completely up to you. So once you're happy with that, go continue to cart. So inside the cart, GoDaddy are going to try and upsell you some domain privacy and protection. You can see that adds an extra about $12 and another about $21 per year. It's up to you. I'm not really too bothered about the protection. So I just press click free privacy protection. I also don't need professional email as well, and then go to the cart again. And here you want to make sure that everything is correct. It's changed itself to 3 years again. I'm going to change it back down to 1 year. Just make sure and double check that you spot your domain right, because you're not going to be able to change it again. So now you can see $24 and $94 for 1 year's registration of this domain. I'm now going to go and click on Complete Purchase and click on the PayPal or I am all ready to pay icon after processing. And there we go. Congratulations. Home Sales Stack is yours. You've got your domain here.
That's for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you in next video.